Suspected drug lord in court in the high-profile extradition of a man authorities believe was arranging cocaine imports to the U.S.
Local 10 News reporter Glenna Milberg is live in Miami to tell us what happened. Glenna.
Lori, Calvin, a very quick hearing. Henry Lopez Londoño, his first time in front of a U.S. judge. He was bound and shackled. He spoke Spanish through an interpreter, exceedingly polite and gracious to the judge, 24 hours after what was a spectacle of an extradition. Military helicopters, a guarded motorcade, several SWAT teams, all part of a U.S. Marshal DEA operation to bring Henry Lopez Londoño to the U.S. on Thursday. Londoño, a Colombian national, and 6 others were indicted by a U.S. grand jury more than 4 years ago, accused of distributing cocaine knowing it would be imported to the United States. He was arrested then in Buenos Aires. He requested political asylum there twice during the last 4 years from his prison cell and fought U.S. extradition.
The extradition request was buttressed by various affidavits from American DEA agents who made allegations of his participation in drug trafficking.
While U.S. prosecutors consider Londoño a drug lord, his attorney insists he became a legal target because of his political activity. The grand jury indictment lists 6 alleged aliases for Londoño, but does not mention nor imply any ties to what authorities call a paramilitary organization that trafficked drugs to finance its political activities.
This is a very significant individual who played a role in the recent history of Colombia.
Londoño will stay right there in federal detention until his next hearing scheduled for November 29th. It is at that hearing his attorney says he will plead not guilty to those charges, and the federal magistrate will decide whether he will be eligible to go free on bond. I'm Glenna Milberg, live in downtown Miami tonight, Local 10 News.